Ever stared at a shiny new crypto project, itching to invest, but felt lost in the maze of wallets and exchanges? You're not alone. The world of crypto can feel overwhelming, especially when it comes to managing your funds. So, let's tackle a common question. Can you connect your personal crypto wallet to Kraken, a popular exchange platform? The rise of crypto wallets, 030 to 130. Before diving into Kraken, let's rewind a bit. Crypto wallets are the digital vaults where you store your cryptocurrency holdings. They come in various forms: software wallets on your phone or computer, hardware wallets that resemble sleek USB drives, and even paper wallets. Think of them as high-tech lottery tickets. The beauty of wallets is that they give you control over your crypto. Unlike exchanges, which hold your funds on their servers, wallets store your private keys, essentially digital passwords that grant access to your crypto. This self-custody approach is ideal for security-conscious crypto enthusiasts. Kraken, a trusted exchange, 1:30 to 2 o'clock. Now, Kraken. Launched in 2011, it's a veteran in the crypto exchange space, known for its robust security features, wide range of tradable assets, and user-friendly interface. It's a solid platform for buying, selling, and trading cryptocurrencies. So, can you connect your wallet? 2 to 2:30. Here's the answer you've been waiting for. No, Kraken doesn't currently allow direct wallet connection. This means you can't deposit or withdraw crypto directly between your personal wallet and your Kraken account. Why not? Exploring the reasons, 2:30 to 3:30. There are a couple of reasons behind this. Firstly, security. Kraken prioritizes the safety of its users' funds. By holding onto your crypto within their secure platform, they can implement additional security measures to minimize the risk of theft or hacking. Secondly, convenience. Kraken aims to streamline the user experience. Direct wallet connections can involve complex steps and compatibility issues depending on the wallet type. By keeping everything within their system, they offer a more user-friendly approach. Alternatives: depositing and withdrawing crypto on Kraken, 3:30 to 4:30. While direct wallet connection isn't available, Kraken still allows you to move your crypto in and out. Here's how. Depositing crypto: you can send crypto directly from another exchange or a third-party wallet that supports the same cryptocurrency. Kraken provides you with a unique deposit address for each coin or token you want to transfer. Withdrawing crypto: the process is similar. You initiate a withdrawal from your Kraken account, supplying the receiving address of your external wallet. Kraken will then process the transaction and send your crypto to that address. Important considerations before transferring crypto, 4:30 to 5 o'clock. Before hitting deposit or withdraw, remember these crucial points. Double-check the address. Sending crypto to the wrong address is like losing cash in a black hole. It's virtually impossible to recover. Always double and triple-check the receiving address before initiating any transfer. Network fees. Every crypto transaction incurs network fees. These fees go to miners or validators who maintain the blockchain network. Make sure you understand the network fees associated with the specific crypto you're transferring. Minimum deposit/withdrawal amounts. Kraken might have minimum deposit and withdrawal amounts for certain cryptocurrencies. Check their website for specific details before initiating a transfer. Security tips: keeping your crypto safe, 5 to 5:30. Whether you're using Kraken or any other platform, security is paramount. Here are some security tips to keep your crypto safe. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a code from your phone or authenticator app in addition to your password when logging in. Use strong, unique passwords. Avoid using the same password for multiple accounts. Opt for complex passwords with a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Beware of phishing scams. Don't click on suspicious links or download attachments from unknown senders. Phishing emails often try to trick you into revealing your login credentials. The future of wallet connections with Kraken? 5:30 to 6 o'clock. While direct wallet connection isn't currently available, the crypto landscape is constantly evolving. Kraken might introduce this feature in the future. Let's keep an eye on their updates.